Hey everyone, I just wanted to let you know that I just created a subscription to Educationcom, and it seems like a really awesome website to practice skills that we go over in class. So right now you can find it under Friday, September 18th. It's called Education.com. You're going to click on that. You're going to click there, and soon you'll be receiving a login code. So once you do, you will click here. Did you receive a login? Yes. Click here to get started. And I created a fake student, so I'm gonna use that to log myself in for demonstration purposes. And then it gives practice work with math, reading and writing, and typing if you are working from a laptop or computer. So just to show you guys, you go in here, you can start, it'll show a video. So, I don't know if you can hear what the website is saying, but it's matching equations of the same number. So for example, this would be 18. 16 plus 2 is 18. 2 plus 16 is the same thing. So I'm going to match. And it gives a bunch of different games like that they can do. And then they can move up as they get more skills mastered. And the same goes for reading and writing and typing. Now this is by no means a required assignment that they need to do every day or anything like that, but it is there for their own use to practice their skills. Anything that I find on here that I think would be awesome to share, I will put in assignments. These are not worth a grade or anything like that. They're just cool things that I found that I will share here. Nothing on this website will be for a grade. It's just for practice. So please don't stress if you don't choose to use it. That's fine. I just think this is a really awesome program that the kids might like.